Castor oil has traditionally been used as a remedy for treating various skin conditions and infections, relieving constipation, and increasing the health of hair. However, recent studies have shown that castor oil can be used to support the immune system and an anti-inflammatory agent, antimicrobial agent, and lymphatic stimulant. You can use castor oil in a couple of different ways. Apply it directly to the skin. Use it through a castor oil pack, or mix it with other oils to use it as a topical remedy. Orally, add it to milk or lukewarm water, or taken in the form of a supplement. 1. Natural arthritis remedy. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent massage oil for arthritic joints, sore muscles, and inflammation of your nerves. The ricinoleic acid that castor oil contains possess the ability to boost anti-inflammatory properties within the body and is considered a safe remedy for arthritis pain. Here are the various ways you can use castor oil to treat arthritis pain. Directions. Take it orally by adding a tablespoon of castor oil to your favourite beverage. Massage warm castor oil into the affected joints. To promote proper absorption, massage into the skin before you go to bed and leave it on overnight. To avoid scalding the skin, make sure the castor oil is not too hot when applying to the affected area. 2. Getting rid of stretch marks. Stretch marks are often caused by pregnancy and rapid weight gain, but can also be a result of aging, hormonal imbalance, sudden weight loss, and swelling. Castor oil is known as one of the best treatments for a variety of skin conditions. Its rich contents and various fatty acids make it an excellent moisturizer and effective treatment for getting rid of unsightly stretch marks. Using your fingers, massage enough castor oil over the stretch marks to cover the entire affected area. For added moisture, mix 2 tablespoons of coconut or almond oil with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Avoid applying the treatment to the broken skin. Use a thin cotton cloth to cover the area. Leave the cloth on the area for about 15 to 20 minutes to help ensure the oil penetrates deeply. Covering the area with a heating pad or hot water bottle will speed up the results. Repeat this process regularly to see a significant reduction in the appearance of your stretch marks. 3. Castor oil for treating acne. The common skin condition, acne, is a result of impurities accumulating in your pores, causing the skin to become irritated and inflamed. Many of the acne remedies on the market today contain benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, which tend to dry out the skin. Castor oil, similar to using neem oil, is a natural resource that draws out dirt, dead skin cells, excess oils, and bacteria without drying out your skin. Directions. Place a bowl of boiling water on a stable surface and grab a towel. Holding the towel over your head, lean over the bowl of water. Doing this opens up your pores, which allows the castor oil to penetrate your skin deeply. Keep your face over the bowl for several minutes. Take a washcloth and moisten it with warm water and apply a small, dime-sized amount of castor oil to the cloth. Gently rub the affected area with the washcloth. Use small circular motions when applying the castor oil to the area. Leave the castor oil on your skin overnight. When you wake up, remove the castor oil using a damp towel to wipe away the oil. Using cold water, splash your face several times. Cold water will shrink your pores, while warm water will open up your pores. Pat your skin dry and use a facial cleanser to clean away the remaining castor oil. For the best results, repeat these steps daily for between 10 and 14 days. You can use castor oil to prevent acne by following this process a couple of times a week. 4. Deep facial cleanser. Along with treating acne, you can use castor oil as a deep facial cleanser. There are harsh chemicals in over-the-counter and prescription facial cleansers that dry out your skin. Using castor oil as a deep cleanser will get rid of pimples, deep clean your skin of dirt, bacteria, dead skin cells, and excess oils, and keep your skin soft, supple and flawless. Directions. Using a generous amount of the oil blended in the palm of your hand, rub them together to warm up the oil. Using slow, firm motions across your skin, massage the oil into your face, paying particular attention to any areas that may be a problem. When your pores are thoroughly saturated, take a clean washcloth and soak it in hot water. Place the washcloth over your face. Leave it on until it has become cool to the touch. Gently wipe your face with the washcloth and then rinse it in hot, running water. Repeat these steps several times to thoroughly clean your face. Be sure to not scrub your face hard during the final step of the process. 5. Eliminating fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil is great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles because it penetrates deep into your skin, which stimulates the production of elastin and collagen. These two components in the skin are responsible for its elasticity and tautness. Castor oil's emollient properties allow the skin to quickly absorb it, keeping your face hydrated and plump, which also reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To ensure you get the most out of the castor oil treatment, follow these steps. Directions. Clean your face with your regular facial cleanser in cold water. Using a towel, pat your skin dry. Remove any traces of the cleaner with a cotton ball soaked in toner. If you don't have toner, you can use rose water or witch hazel. Allow the toner to dry, then pour a small amount of castor oil into the palm of your hand, rubbing hands together to warm up the oil. Gently massage the oil into your face using small, circular motions. Repeat the process every day. For maximum benefits, apply the oil to your face at night before going to bed.